Today start the classes, online classes. My name is K. Nagireddy, Assistant Professor. My qualifications MBA, MCom, MPhil, pursuing PhD. I have 26 years experience in teaching field. I deal management science in this semester. Fourth year BTech students. Today, introduction of management science and syllabus brief we know what is management science. Management mean manage, maintenance. Management properly utilize resources. Resources mean material, men, machinery, money. These four resources, any activity, any work, any business, any program must required that all are you properly utilize that program, that business, that institution, that activity success. That purpose some require the management knowledge. That knowledge we know in this management science. This management is the main role, different fields, not businesses, politicians, or program conducting activities, your life also need of the management knowledge. So that purpose you introduce the BTech students this subject. Today brief explain in the subject syllabus. Introduction and syllabus of management science. In this subject have 5 units. In the examination point of each unit give the 2 questions in the question paper. That syllabus are briefly explained one by one unit. Now, first unit, introduction to management. In this unit, introduction to the management. What is management? Importance of management. Different concepts, different topics in this known the first unit. That as follows. First one is concept, nature and importance of management. In this topic, you know the what is management, nature or characteristics of management, and the importance of management we know. Next topic is functions of management. In this topic, we know the different functions. Explain. Next one is evaluation of scientific management. This is one of the management administration theory. In this, some principles of management. This administration theory contributed by F.W. Taylor. That is some principles also guided advice that all are use of the improve the management knowledge. Modern management. This is one type of administration theory. In this concept developed by Henry Fayol. That is one of the industrialists. That person is some guided, advises some principles. That principles is the Henry Fayol principles of management. Is contributed by 14 principles. In this topic, we know motivation theories. In this topic, what is motivation? Some different theories also in this studied in this topic. Have three important theories. You know in this topic. Leadership style. This topic also we know what is leader. Leadership qualities. Any leader, some qualities, some characters are required. All persons is not leaders. Any leader, some maintain the qualities, characteristics. That person is leader. That all are studied in this topic. Next, types of leaders or styles of leadership. Different types of leaders in this topic. Decision making process. Decision making, you taking the decisions, this higher authority, any business, any activity, any program. That time also so many decisions you taking the higher authority or entrepreneurs or business people. That purpose also on process follow. That is a decision making process. Any activity, any program, any business, you success depend the decisions. Take the good decisions. That is success of that businesses. This all are you studied in this topic. Designing organizing structure. In this topic, what is organization? Different structures of organizations. In this studied all types, advantages, disadvantages, merits, demerits. In this topic, you know. Next topic also principles and types of organizations. You know the principles or techniques. Any organization you success that follow the principles. You base the arrange the or structure of organizations in this study. Types of organizations also known in this topic. These all are first unit topics. First one is concept, nature and importance of management, functions of management, evaluation of scientific management, modern management, motivation theories, leadership styles, decision making process, designing organizing structure, principles and types of organization. This unit is over. Next, second unit is the operation management. In this management also some topics we know that all are as follows. First one is plant location. What is plant? Plant means factory, industry. Location means area, place. You studied in this plant location. And layout. Layout also place. Missions and equipments, arrangement place. That is layout. In this studied the principles of layout, types of layouts. You know different types the layout. Every layout advantages or disadvantages you know in this topic. Next one is methods of production. What is production? Different types of methods we know in this topic. Statistical quality control. This topic also, what is quality? Quality means acceptability of the goods and services, users and consumers. You maintain the quality, not quality, not accepted the or goods and services. So your sales also decrease. These all are studied the all how to maintain the quality. That purpose some techniques you studied the in this topic. Objective of inventory management. What is the inventory management? Inventory management is management for inventory. What objectives? All are stated in this topic. Need for inventory control. Why inventory control? How required? You stated the in this topic. Functions of marketing. Next topic. What is marketing? Different functions. Explain the in this topic. Marketing mix. What is marketing mix? This known the in this topic. channels of distribution. Channels or ways distribution means goods and services you flow from manufacturer to user. It is called a channel. Channel means way or route. Flow the goods and services from manufacturer or producer to customer or user. It is called a channel of distribution. In this topic also different channels that all are clearly known in this topic. Advertisement and sales promotion. In this, what is advertisement? Need of advertisement. What is sales promotion? Different type of advertisements. All are you know in this topic. Last one is strategies, product life cycle. In this, you know the product, any product or goods, certain life, after end of the period, that not avail the market. That place also install other goods, other products, new products, modification products. In this studied the product life cycle. This is the second unit syllabus. First one is plant location and layout, methods of production, statistical quality control, objective of inventory management, need for inventory control, functions of marketing, marketing mix, channels of distribution, advertisement and sales promotion, strategy, product life cycle. Second unit is over. Third unit is human resources management. Human resources also manpower, how to utilize properly. That purpose, different methods or technique studied the human resources management. Main role of the manpower. Any activity, any work, any program, any company, any institution, success goal depend the manpower. Manpower is the performance well, efficient, commitment to employees, dedicated employees. That business also success. That institution also success. Not dedicated, not worthable, not capable, not experienced, not qualified. That effect also business not reach the goal in time. That all are studied in this unit. Significant and functions of human resource management. In this topic, importance of the human resource management and functions of human resources management known. Human resources planning. You prepare a human resources planning mean planning for human resources. You prepare plan for human resources. In this, how to prepare human resources planning. All are use importance of human resources planning. All studied in this topic. Job evaluation. In this topic also evaluation of the every job, every work. In this topic, some methods of job evaluation methods. You know, recruitment and selection. In this or requirement of the human resources, that purpose you follow the one procedure, selection process. In this studied the recruitment and selection. Placement and induction. After selection, you provide the place and introduction also. New employees, new workers. All guidelines give the in this topic. Wage and salary administration. This remuneration of the employees and workers. Employee training and development. This in topic also different. What is training? Different types of trainings, importance of training. All are we known. You take the development activities, improve the knowledge. All are studied in the topic. Methods, performance appraisal. In this some methods, performance also worth. Appraisal, evaluation, calculated. Every worker or employees performance, worth, you calculated. That purpose also follow the different methods. That performance based you take the decisions. Any employee or worker salary increase or decrease, give the promotion, give or not give, transfer. Any you taking the decisions based on the performance appraisal. These all are third unit over. First one is significant and functions of human resources management. Human resources planning, job evaluation, recruitment and selection, placement and induction, wage and salary administration, employee training and development, methods, performance appraisal. Third unit is over. Fourth unit is the strategic management. In this management, you know the vision, mission, goals and strategies. These all are some plannings for the companies or industries or persons, institutions. All are you know the these are all concepts. What is vision, what is mission, what is goals and what is strategies. Know the in this topic. Corporate planning process. Corporate planning process means planning for corporate. Corporate means businesses. In this different stages, different steps, prepare a corporate planning that known the in this topic. Environmental scanning, SWOT analysis. This is one of the technique. Evaluation of the performance, businesses or institutions or persons also, that you studied the SWOT analysis that based the taking the decisions. Different steps in the strategy formulation. In this what is strategy, you different stages of formulation you know in this topic. Network analysis. In this topic also some problems. What is network analysis? Importance of network analysis in this known. PET to CPM, identifying critical path probabilities. What is PET to? What is CPM? Identifying critical path and probability in this some small problems. This unit also some problems have. Cost analysis, project costing. What is cost? Different cost assets. You analyze and know the project costing. This is the fourth unit. In this unit, know the what is vision, mission, goals and strategies. Corporate planning process, environmental scanning, SWOT analysis. Different steps in strategy formulation. Network analysis. Factor CPM, identifying critical path probability. Cost analysis, project costing. The third unit is all, fourth unit is over. Last one is fifth unit. Contemporary management practices. In this unit also some concepts, management concepts. You temporarily develop the concept in the management. That use of the situationally our problem solving purpose or businesses or companies, institutions, etc. That all are as follows. Basic concept of management information system. What is management information system? We know important use. All are known in this topic. Material requirement planning. Material requirement planning. Planning for materials requirement. You know the prepare a planning. Just in time, total quality management. This is study the concept. What is just in time? What is total quality management? Importance of advantages of the just in time, total quality management, all are known in these topics. Six Sigma and supply chain management. In this, what is Six Sigma? What is supply chain management? You know in this topic. Enterprise resource planning. In this known the what is enterprises resources planning. We know performance management. What is performance management? Importance of the performance management, role of the performance management in the businesses or companies or institutions you know in this topic. Business process outsourcing. This is one of the concept of contemporary management practices. This is known the what is business process outsourcing. Role of the outsourcing of business process. We know business process re-engineering and benchmark. In this known the what is re-engineering, what is benchmark, you know in this topic. These all are fourth unit we have known. First one is basic concept of management information system. Material requirement planning, just-in-time total quality management, Six Sigma and supply chain management, enterprise resources planning, performance management, business process outsourcing, business process re-engineering and benchmark. This top 15 it is over. These all are syllabus or introduction of management science is over. Thank you.